Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and I am healed, I am in good health, I am restored and I am filled with abundant peace. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and I am special, I am precious and I am loved. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and I succeed in everything that I do and light shines on my path. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and I live under an open heaven of blessing, provision and protection. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and I can conquer any situation. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and my progress has got no limits. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and every word I speak brings prosperity. My name is Lerato and everything about me is beautiful. My name is Lerato Thobane and every loss is made victory in my life. Hi, my name is Lerato and I'm living an abundant life. I am equipped and empowered for every good work. I'm blessed and kept. I shine with grace and I am at peace. Hi, my name is Lerato and I am prospering in every way. I'm Lerato Thobane and everything I lay my hands upon prospers. Hi, my name is Lerato Thobane and all things work together for my good.